Welcome back to the Auditor app video series. So let's have a look at your public profile and the letterboard. From the dashboard, once you click on your icon on top right, you could see public profile and profile. Once you click on public profile, you are presented with this screen. And this screen would be the screen that the community members would see, so this would be a great way to showcase your expertise and your achievements. And also the elements here, such as your X profile and your GitHub, could be edited from the profile section back in the dashboard. And in order to have a look at the letterboard, you could either click on the button here or here, and you would be transferred to the letterboard, which is this screen. And here you could see the top auditors, and by default this is sorted by total payment, but you could change it, for example, by total XP. And that's it about the public profile and the letterboard.